Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.18. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not performed as anticipated, showing a loss of 1.43% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of 0.48% since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a weak rising trend over the short term, indicating that further upward movement is likely. The 3-month trend points to an anticipated change of approximately 2.81% in the coming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 1.04% to 9.12%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 30.85% over the next year, with a possible return between 15.03% and 39.98%. This implies a future price range from $257.93 to $313.87 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of 1.2% on the most recent trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, dropping from $226.96 to $224.23. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.9%, ranging from a low of $221.50 to a high of $225.70. This marks a decrease in 7 of the last 10 trading days, resulting in an overall decline of 3.93% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased by 3 million shares despite the falling prices, indicating a potential early warning sign as the risk may rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 39 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $8.670 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $237.49 and a low of $164.08. Currently, the price stands 5.58%, or $13.26, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Investors are eagerly anticipating Apple's next significant innovation, as commentary from industry experts suggests that the company's upcoming product lines could significantly influence its stock performance. The excitement is bolstered by recent growth in iPhone sales across various markets, which has sparked optimism among shareholders. In the accessory market, Belkin has unveiled new products for the Apple Vision Pro at the Web Summit 2024, indicating strong ecosystem support for Apple's latest technologies. This could foster greater user engagement and potentially drive further sales, enhancing Apple's competitive positioning. However, not all news is favorable. Reports indicate that Warren Buffett has continued to reduce his stake in Apple, which could raise concerns among investors about the stock's long-term trajectory. Furthermore, discussions around the performance disparity between Apple and other stocks suggest that while Apple remains a strong player, it may face intensified competition. In the short term, these developments may lead to increased volatility in Apple's stock price, influenced by investor sentiment and market reactions to product launches. In the long term, Apple's ability to innovate and adapt, especially in integrating artificial intelligence solutions, will be crucial for sustaining growth and mitigating risks associated with market competition and shifting investor interests. Analyst ratings. On the 1st of November 2024, Maxim Group assigned Apple a hold rating with a corresponding hold action. On the 29th of October 2024, Barclays rated Apple as underweight with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. On the 23rd of October 2024, UBS provided a neutral rating for Apple with a hold action. On that same day, Bernstein rated Apple as outperform, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $224.25 and $228.66. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting the stock warrants closer monitoring. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 1%. Additional increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The stock achieved a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific combination. This rare occurrence is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 122 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $222.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the stock moved $4.20, which is a change of 1.9% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, commonly observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on February 6, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $226.21. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $222.91. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sell of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider buy of 8,115 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Chris Kondo also executed an insider sell of 3,985 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Chris Kondo further executed an insider sell of 1,898 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of October, 2024, Chris Kondo executed another insider sell of 2,077 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.565. Overall, insiders purchased 2,069,882 shares and sold 3,603,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $212.84, representing a decline of 5.08%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, several indicators are signaling negativity, which we believe may impact the stock's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. Nevertheless, we perceive today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will rise during or by the end of the 3-month period. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open lower, approximately 420 of a dollar, and begin trading at $223.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.